Hello, smartest and most wonderful kids. Today is a very special day. Because today, we're going to fix Red in our brand new car service centre. Do you remember Red? He was playing in the snow and mud. And oh no, look what happened. He got damaged and can't move anymore. But don't worry at all. Red is not alone. His best friends, Sonny and Brum, are already here, helping him out. Brum and Sonny arrive at the auto workshop, towing Red.
Wow, that was hard to drive on the road. Our friend Red can't walk anymore.
At that moment, a nice yellow crane appears. Lift ito.
Peep, peep. Wait, guys. I am Liftito and I can lift anything. I'll help you. I'm lifting Red now carefully. What happened to you, Red?
Friends, help. I can't walk anymore.
Yeah, there was a strange noise deep down. It's a good thing we managed to get him to the service station.
I'll slowly and carefully lead you inside the service. Don't worry, Reddy. We're here to help you. All you need is a little repair and you'll be on your way again.
Hey, Lifty, you're a real hero.
Yeah, you're a super lifter.
First, let's put up the barrier. No cars allowed without permission. Now, let's bring the little carts. They'll carry all the parts and tools Reddy needs. Let's get ready, friends. It's time to fix Reddy. And now, the repairs begin.
Bring the screwdriver.
Here are the scissors. Let's snip off the extra rubber that's stopping Reddy from moving. Tap, tap with the hammer. Maybe we'll figure out what hurts Reddy.
Oh, now we need the small wrench. We'll need our magical tools again. Tick, tick, tick. Knock, knock, knock.
Hop! The red body is off. Let's look inside.
Oh, it's dust.
Uh-oh, it's dust.
rust was stuck in the gears. That's why the wheels couldn't spin.
Hooray! The wheels are spinning again.
Now everything's clean and ready. Hooray! The wheels are spinning again. Reddy is all fixed. Let's put him back together.
Make way, friends. Reddy's coming through. Here he comes, zooming ahead. He's just like before, cheerful, speedy, and full of energy. Everyone heard the news. Reddy is back. And in the next video, other friends are coming to visit him.